Hi everyone. Today we will continue with the lighting design for the grocery, so for a retail space. Um, you have in front of you the actual building, so the actual space that we start last time to work on the lighting design. Last time we made a calculation on the shelf area, so the light between the main shelves um, placed in the center of the shop. So for the shelf, um, we were using the continuous line as as a solution for to provide the lighting. Um, for the sales area, we have achieved 300 lux on the floor level, and for the vertical illumination on the shelf, we are focusing on a value of 400 lux. Today, we will move forward with the lighting design for the refrigerators, as well on the back side of the refrigerator for the people which are working and serving the clients. We need to have also proper light. We will move also on the peripheral area of the shop, so we will focus also on making the shelves placed in this area, and as well the counter where we have, for example, can be fruits or vegetables. So that's the main goal for today, and in this video. And I want to use track system, so we use projectors which are mounting on the rail, and we try to 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 implement this solution for this groceries shop. So let's move on the 2D side, I will say, and I will start in this area. First, move to the light on the select products. I already insert couple of projector which they have different wide beam. I think it's very important that you have you choose a, for example, projector very wide beam and a wide beam where you don't need to highlight a specific product. So in this case, I would say I would choose this luminaire, a wide beam, um, CRI, so color rendering index 80, and the color the CCT it's 4000 Kelvin. I will draw the line arrangement. Important is that you need to place it in front on the refrigerator or what you want to highlight on the product. So just make sure that you have a straight line when you place it. So yeah, it will be like this. So let's see the proposal. Of course, just 3 luminaires will not be enough. So I would suggest to go with at least 5 from beginning. I would say the spacing should be, you see, 1.5, close to 1.5. That's the starting point. And also, you need to be very careful that the distance between the refrigerator and the line. I would say in this case it's too close. Usually it's close to 1 meter. So let's move a little bit on the right side of the line. That's, of course, it depends if you have space, but for me, I would say in this case I will work with this kind of distance, so close to 1 meter. Yeah, let's see where we are in this case. Yeah, as I said. And now we can move in 3D. Of course, when you import the luminaire, so they are facing down, so you can see also the light distribution curve. So in this moment it's not okay. We need to rotate them and point the light the refrigerator, to the products which are displayed in the refrigerator. How you do that? You go on rotate, you just click on rotate element, and then you click on this small box, and I will say here 100 minus 90, and here we just, let's put an angle of 25. Let's see if it's changing. Yeah, it's actually opposite. Then we should have minus 25, so I just then paste in this way, and let's place minus 25 degrees, and then we should be okay. So now we have also orientate the projectors with the light on to highlight the products in the refrigerator. I will just do a quick calculation only from for this part, and just to show how it looks. The target is to have like around 500 lux level on the products displayed in the refrigerators. And let's see the values that we have, and then we can move around the shop area and just illuminate light the rest of the refrigerator and shelves display on the floor. So let's see now the light level. So if I put my mouse into the refrigerator, you can see that we have around 459, 750, but the easiest way, I'll just true false colors, and then you can see the light. Actually, I have a little bit more light on the floor in this area, so I would suggest that I will put on 30 degrees, and then we just direct the light, more light into the products. Or another option is in moving a little bit the line close to the refrigerator. So both version should work, and we should not have so much light on the floor, but more light into the let's say the products, show the products placed into the refrigerator. But okay, that's easy to do. So if you want to change the angle, then we go here again and we place, let's say 30 degrees, and then more light should be inside of this shelf. Okay, let's move on the next. I will draw here line arrangement. Again, I will go somewhere here, and I will do the same exercise, like rotating the products and to be on the shelf, and then I will run a calculation for all. Here I will just place above, so I will just go draw the line above the two counters, and I will just place, I will say, just two luminaires, so one spot on above each. And here, because I said that can be fruits or veggies, actually here I'm using a luminaire which has it's 840, but I have also prepared in advance. I took 830, as you can see here, and here I will just use a very wide beam, and we can see also the difference for the two cases. And now we can replace, and I will go just choose this one and just apply, and now we should have the the new luminaires, which they have a color temperature of 3000 Kelvin, as you can see it here, and they have different optics. In this case, we have a very wide beam. Compare with these ones, which they have only a wide beam. Distribution curve. Next, we have this shelf. I'll go with the same, so draw line. Just make sure, as I mentioned earlier, just the line to be straight. And then I'll say we go, should be like 5 luminaires also in this case. I'll go for it. And then we can just change again. My segment is 30. Oops. So here it's opposite, so we have plus 30. Good. So we have it also here, done here. Let's concentrate, I would say, also in this area where we have the employees, or which are serving the clients. For this area, I will go for a downlight. So just click no, arrangement. So we try, I would say, to make a line until here. And yeah, by default is the spot, but I will just go on replacing the selected luminaire, and I use already a downlight from other project, so it's still in the library of the luminaire which I was working with. So we just let it like this. So now we can also have a look. I will just close the first color as we don't need it. So we have the downlights for this area, and then we have the projectors for the refrigerators, for the counters above. So I'm really curious when we finish how the space will look with this new solution. And here, because we have also a shelf in this area, as I will just go on 3D, and let's see. Breakfast. Let's do the lighting on this side and this one. I will just put a track system between the pole and the shelves. Just put on the light, and yeah, we just draw a continuous line. Let's place it here. Yeah, I will stop here, I will say. We need to move back to the projector. So this was, yeah, this one. So I'll just select, and then actually replace, sorry. So I need to replace, and then click and apply once again. I think here we need more because it's quite a big shelf. So I'll just place 7, and also distance is like 2 meters. And let's put 7 to bring it down a little bit. Yeah, let's see how it works with this. We will rotate once again. So here you need to do a lot of trials. I would say after you know the luminaires which you want to use, and you just add them into the space, then you do a lot of fine tuning. Let's say in this way, and then you have a clear picture above the related to the end result. And here we just place, I would say, just for this shelf, we'll add just 2 luminaires here. The same, we just we need to rotate on 25 degrees. Yeah. Same story here on the just go in front, additional 2, and yeah, we just move it again 25. And here I have a continuous line. I will go from one end to the other. And I think I just go until here. And I will say, let's use maybe 6, it's a little bit too much. Let's go on 5. And see the outcome. Rotate again. Yeah, this is in the opposite way then. We need to have the minus 25. Okay. Yet I have the impression that this area is too close, so I'll just move it a little bit from the, okay. And we shall see the outcome. And then we have this counter. I would just make a line in the middle. This, I would say. And now we'll have just, yeah, 3 luminaires in this case. I will add again here. I want to use the white beam and a different CCT. So let's find it. Yeah. So this was added to the calculation. You know, I will just go here. We have another 2 lines which we need this side and these two counters. I think I will just go again on this side above. Should be 2 luminaires in this case, 1 above each counter. So yeah, so it takes some time to add all the luminaires according with the areas that you want to illuminate. But the main point is to have to see how I'm doing, to get the point of what are the main criteria when you establish these luminaires, which type of luminaire are being used, how you run the calculation, and why you need to use, let's say, on the projector different white beams, different CCT, and where it's how to combine the 2 solutions, like continuous line, where it makes sense to use it, and where you should use the spots or the projectors into that space. So here it's 25 actually, so let's do it like this, and I'll just place another line here, and then I'll just run I'll say the right lighting calculation. Right here I will just place 4. And just extend it a little bit around this side. I want 2 and 2, let's say 2 luminaires on one refrigerator here, to this, and 2 on about this one. And rotate once again. Let's see if it's 25. No, this time it's opposite. So yeah, that should do. Actually here I need to replace this luminance because I was using the other type. No problem. So you could see also difference in the beam, in this case in the wide beam, and if I go on the other one it's more narrow, let's say narrow, so it's easy to spot the difference. And then just remake the calculation. I think that's all for the time. Let's have a look on the 3D. So we have inserted a lot of projectors and in all the shop, and let's now run quick lighting calculation, and let's have a look on overall result related to the lighting solution which I propose for this grocery shop. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like if you find it useful, this video and the explanation which I'm providing when I'm making this video. If something I was missing or you have questions, let a comment on this video and I will check it, and I'm happy to answer to your questions. And yeah, more videos will come, so stay tuned with on my channel. Let's see, it takes some time. As yeah, we inserted a lot of luminaires, so I'm really curious on the shelf, on the how the light levels and how it looks overall. The light in the shop, as well as with the downlights which I just placed for the people which are working in this office, in this in this grocery. Let's see the outcome. Yeah, here you go. So it looks better. So now we have also the work surface. We don't need it in this moment. I just want to focus on the counter. So here, for example, where we have a lot of light on the counter, so that's okay. Also on the refrigerators. So the main areas where we highlight, you see how it's looking. It's good. Also on the shelves. So, and yeah, I think overall I'm pretty happy with the status that we have obtained for the time being. In the next video I will just focus on the cash desk. We come also with on the entrance and also on the perimeter area, where I will bring more downlights, and also for ending of the shelf I want to add also one spotlight, just to have more light in this area. So as I said before, subscribe to my channel, have a look on my videos, and let me know your feedback. So here we see also the gradient with all the lighting that we need to do. We see some areas where we need more light, as mentioned, and this area which I didn't touch it in this moment, but next video I will go on that side and as well here. So overall, I'm happy with this solution, and yeah, it will be a nice and nice, nice shop. So thank you very much for watching it, and stay tuned. Have a good day.